Renowned politician, social leader, and former member of Sindh Assembly Ghulam Murtaza Baloch was born on August 4, 1964, in village Haji Fakir Muhammad Wadeli. He was very respected and popular among the people of Malaya due to his simplicity, philanthropy, poverty alleviation, and public service. Ghulam Murtaza Baloch received his early education from the primary school of his village. After that, he received further education from Government High School, Konkar, Cadet College Pataro, and Karachi University. Since his student days, he was interested in social and public affairs, which later became the foundation of his political journey. He also held important responsibilities in the local government system. He served as the Nazim of Gadap town from 2001 to 2009. During his tenure as Nazim, he made efforts for the development of the area, provision of basic facilities, and resolution of public problems. Ghulam Murtaza Baloch remained associated with the Pakistan People's Party. He was first elected as a member of the Sindh Assembly in September 2016 by winning a by-election from PS 127, Karachi 34, and held the position until May 2018, after which he was re-elected as a member of the Sindh Assembly from PS 88, Malaya 2, on a PPP ticket in the 2018 general elections. He was known as an elder and a philanthropist rather than a traditional politician who was in direct contact with the people. Helping the poor, needy, and those in difficulty was an important aspect of his personality. He had a deep connection with the people of Malaya and tried to solve their problems by considering them as his own. In 2020, when the coronavirus pandemic spread across the world, including Pakistan, Ghulam Murtaza Baloch was appointed as the focal person of Malaya district. To deal with the pandemic, he took various precautionary and administrative measures, along with the district administration. He played an active role in establishing quarantine centres, keeping the health department functional, and providing facilities to the affected people. During this public service, he himself became a victim of the coronavirus. Despite a serious illness, he fought the battle of life with courage, but died on June 2, 2020 due to COVID-19. With the death of Ghulam Murtaza Baloch, the people of Malaya have lost a people-friendly leader who dedicated a large part of his life to public service, development of the area, and political representation. His simplicity, service to humanity, and humble personality will always be remembered.